Your alarm just got smarter, and no one is talking about it. Samsung has quietly refreshed its clock app with One UI 8.5. And while it may look like a small update, it actually makes your daily routine smoother and more reliable than before. Samsung's stock clock app is an essential tool for Galaxy users, helping manage alarms, world clocks, timers, and more. With the One UI 8.5 beta, Samsung is polishing this experience further by rolling out a new clock app update for supported Galaxy devices. The latest Samsung clock update comes with version 12.555.10, spotted by Terran VATs. This update mainly focuses on improving stability and fixing bugs, ensuring smoother performance across alarms, time zones, and background features. While there are no brand new features added in this version, it addresses issues users noticed in the previous release, making the app more reliable for everyday use. The update weighs around 56.17 megabytes, so you can easily download it even on mobile data. If your Galaxy device is running One UI 8.5, you can grab the update by heading to Galaxy Store, Menu, Updates. Right now, One UI 8.5 is still in the beta phase, and Samsung has confirmed that the stable version will officially launch with the Galaxy S26 series next year. After that, the update will gradually roll out to more Galaxy phones and tablets. What makes the clock app more exciting in One UI 8.5 is the weather alarm background, which shows real-time weather information when your alarm rings. On top of that, Samsung has improved multi-time zone comparison, allowing users to quickly check time differences between multiple cities using an intuitive slider, perfect for travelers and remote workers. Overall, the Samsung Clock app feels more refined and dependable on One UI 8.5. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of update that improves your daily experience without you even noticing, until everything just works better. If you're running One UI 8.5, update the Clock app now and enjoy a smoother, smarter time management experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung updates, One UI tips, and hidden features you don't want to miss.